Hello friends, welcome to my channel. As I have already explained earlier that I will prepare some demo video for you and keep you posted in my channel for your updates and for your updating the knowledge. So here today I am going to create the GL master video demo. Let's start. First of all, this is the login screen. After logging to the system, you will get this screen as I have already discussed earlier. After that, from here in the left side navigation bar we will go to the here accounting, financial accounting. This is a general ledger. There are in general ledger there you can able to see the document entry part, documents parts, account part and master record. So first we will create the master record. So we will open this GL account. Now we have two types of processing in GL account. One is individual processing and one is collective processing. So we can opt any one of it. So I am opting here for individual processing. Here, this is the FS00, which has already been explained in my earlier slide. So I will open this transaction. This type of a screen will be appear. I can, for a better understanding, I can hide this navigation bar so that you can able to understand hierarchy display. So I am going to hide this. Now again I will go outside. I will go outside. This is a message comes. After that I will go outside. Then I will come here again. So for example purpose, this is the initial screen, basic screen. Now I am going to create one GL account. This is the GL account is the numerical 10-digit general ledger code. So here I am entering one GL. So after that entering the numeric code, we have to click here create. If you see that after pressing this create button, this field gets open and this is the account group part. That means all I have already explained, there are some accounting heads which is categorized as depreciation, expense, income, liability and assets. So if I'm going to create this balance sheet account, I have numerated with two, that is balance sheet have a two segments, liability and assets. So I will create, I have given the 2-digit to asset part. So I will select here the balance sheet review button. After that I will select this. So I will select the asset group which is written over here. I will select like this. So this has been selected. If I would select this PNL, then in this case this current asset is not valid. For that, I have to select this type of administrative and any selling expense or any expense. P&L is a expense and revenue type of GL, comes under P&L. So here I am creating the balance sheet. So I will select the balance sheet. I can give some name to the balance sheet account like anything. Uh, let's say any asset accounts. DOL, PSTIC, domestic, RIA, domestic material, or this is semi-finished material. This is short text. This has some limitation of the character, but in long text I can write the full name. Semi-finished material. Now we can move into the next tab, control data. In control data, we can see the number of fields. First one is the currency field, which is by default is coming in INR. It depends upon the company code setting in which current country you are located. According to that, the settings of the currency is being configured in the system and it automatically populates. So if I wish to see the report only in INR, then we can pick this one or else we can leave it. So if this GL account belongs to tax category, we can assign any of the category like input tax, output tax, or asterisk. Asterisk is star, which can show you all types of taxes like input and output, any other. This is the checkbox of posting without tax code. If this GL account is belong to the tax relevant GL, then it will be mandatory for you while posting a document. You have to put the tax code. Or if you select this, then in such case, while posting the document, it will be optional for you if you are not maintaining the tax code for this GL line item. System will give you the message only, but it will allow you to proceed further. So I have put here the asterisk and I have checked it. Now in this part, now we can see the account management in company code. There are two types, open item and line item display. For each and every GL, this line item display is mandatory. This will show you the total transaction line item figures. Now the rest of the essential parts are over. Now we come to the third tab. In this tab, this is the field status group. Field status group represents the control of the fields appearing in transaction screen. Means that if you set the field status group, as I have said that this is a balance sheet and I am creating some material account. So I cannot feed here the field status of cost accounting. I can show you the list. These are the list of the field status which is defined as per the nature of the GL account. This is for the P&L accounts. This is for the bank account. This is for the material account. This is the general. This can be assigned in any GL account. So I will use here the general one. And these three checkbox are the different control a different activity of the GL account. If I tick it here, post automatically, then you cannot post the manual entry in this GL. Will automatically, the entry will come automatically through the integration. So I checked removing the check here. This is the basic field which is required to create the GL account. So this GL account is ready to be created. This is the required field because in this system from which I am creating this GL, fund management is active. So for that I need to put some commitment item over here. But this is not mandatory in all cases. Let's say I can select anything like others. Now this is your complete. Press enter. These all are the options. You don't need to mention it all. You can do the checking over here. The system will show you. You can save anyhow. Ignore the information. Now you can go here and save it. Just confirm it. Now see the data save message appears. Now you can see this GL is created. And in the same transaction FS00, we have a change in display option. Create we have done. This is being displayed. If we want to change, we can put it here. Any data you can change as per your desire. Any data can be changed, but make sure that data, some of the field data only be changed before any entry is posted to this GL. If any entry is posted, some of the field has restricted while changing. The system will not allow it to change in such cases. So now this GL is already created. Hope you have enjoyed this session. So In my next slide, I will update the new master data. So for time being, kindly comment on this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.